and welcome back to the channel. Got a what is it, 20 square meter patch, 50 mil to remove. So I am going to put my media mod outside, and hopefully that'll pick up my audio. You got to try these. I'm just going to move it all the way over to the left hand side. So yeah, just going to the spray marks, and yeah, pretty comfortable. Just waiting for get smack bang on the line mark. Make sure my water's on. Make sure both my drums at 50 mil, and then we can easily just push along. Creep speed on. And I should really turn my audio off, and then you can hear the noise of the planer cutting through. I wonder if I could audio dub that in after. That'd work well, wouldn't it? Yeah, maybe that's for the next video try. So I may I'll just work at that one. thought I'd bring it back in the cab. It's quite a nice, quiet place to be. Yeah, so literally, if I'm on the way, there you go, yeah. Good job, a little, my phone down here tells me where my head is, out of the way. Good old Pulsar clothing is reflecting well on the cab. Try and minimise that. Probably took off a bit too much here, but we'll get through it. Does need a sharpen, so yeah, sharpened it yesterday, so we'll give it a sharpen after I've done these little cuts. Yeah, this cab's not fortunate for places to put a GoPro. I've got a GoPro on the grab. Well, I would call it a grab, but yeah, it's not blessed with places for installing a GoPro. So yeah, maybe I'll have to take that up with JCB one day. Maybe GoPro. What do you want? What next to work on? GoPro locations, filming locations. So you see how easy that is for me to do. And you think here, what we run about 10-15 minutes, so it's not a arduous task. The ground is that dry, so when you sweep off where you are, I've got the water on full. It just does not like it because it's that dry. I've been moaning, people have been moaning about it raining for so long. So yeah, can't have it both ways. See how the sweeper just picks up. New brush on last week, so the brush is a week old. Usually lasts 6 to 8 weeks, depending how much obviously use you use it, how much work you give it, how much stick. So yeah, it's looking fairly new still. Anyway, I haven't got to I haven't got to worry about that. On this one, we'll just give it. People always moan at me that I sweep too much, but I do think it is crucial to make sure everything's swept up. I keep remembering my head's in the way, aren't I? Didn't realise I've got such a big head. So yeah, once we've done this, then we can go back onto the sweeping patch up down there. I can't see because of the sun how much. Oh, we've got a bit left in there. And then the rest on this street are just little potholes that we can pick up as we move down the street quite easily. Gonna get rid of this, and then because I've pretty much done on that one, and then I'll move down onto the rest of them. Saying 18-ton truck's already gone, fully full, so we can move. I'm gonna sweep up where I've dropped. All the maybe make the area look same as when we arrived. So the water is on full blast, so it's just the bits that we aren't going offline on. A bit actually, yeah. Fortunately, the dust is kicking up on them. Lost a segment down there of, well, a strand of the brush. Oh well, never mind. I think the Arctic's here to collect the paver, so that must mean it isn't far off. Got a little pothole over here to do. There's another little one there. Oh, I'll tell you what, we'll turn the plane around and we can get that one. So yeah, that was that one there. So thank you for watching. Put in the comments. I'm trying to show more of behind the scenes of highway working. I'm going to spin the machine around now, and then we'll plane them ones out, and we can get moving down the road quite easily. So yeah, thanks for watching.